Hi everybody, Phil Grove here with the tip of the day, tip du jour. And today I'm going to give you a little tip from a program that I call Get Rich Slow. It's a focus program that my wife Shano and I developed, and it's actually a program on how to build a wealth portfolio, how to make $10 million and $20,000 a month passively without doing anything for the rest of your life. What's the catch? Takes 8 to 12 years to put this wealth portfolio together. So it's a step-by-step plan, and it's called Get Rich Slow. So I'm going to give you actually two tips. You get a bonus tip today on the best tips on how to find a property that will help you get rich slow. Basically a rental property that will be a really good performing rental property over the next 8 to 12 years. So tip number one, the best tip on how to find a rental property. If you're thinking about buying a property, the first thing I want you to do is look at that property from space. Yes, you heard me right. I want you to go to Google Satellite View and look down at the map with your property in the middle of it. And what you're looking for is land. Are you thinking about buying a rental property that is surrounded by land, farmland, empty land, undeveloped land, whatever land? Because if you are, here's the problem. If you see land near where your property is, guess what? In 5 or 10 years, that land is going to be other subdevelopments. And that means that when you go to sell your property 5 or 10 or 15 years down the road, you're going to be competing with new construction. That's your competition. And if you're competing with new construction, I guarantee your house will never be worth any more than whatever it costs to build another house. In other words, you're never going to get any appreciation other than just cost of building that goes up a little bit over time. I don't want to compete with builders when I go to sell my properties. I want to buy properties in fixed supply areas where they can't build any other properties, and I want to buy properties in an area that has got a growing population. That way you have a growing number of people competing to buy a fixed supply of houses, and that's what drives appreciation up and up and up over the long term. So how do you determine whether or not an area has a growing population? Tip number two, U-Haul.com. You heard me right, U-Haul.com. I got news for you. There's a company out there that's doing market research on a daily basis to determine where people are moving from and where people are moving to. And I want to buy real estate to hold where people are moving to. So, for example, if you rent a truck from Detroit to Austin, Texas, it's going to cost you almost $1,200. If you rent that exact same truck from Austin back to Detroit, it's only going to cost you about $575. So why is it more than twice the price to rent the exact same truck from Detroit to Austin as it is from Austin to Detroit? And the answer is because U-Haul will practically pay you to bring all their trucks back, because that's where people are moving. They're moving from places like Detroit and into places like Austin. So if you ever want to know where people are moving from and moving to, you look at the rates going both ways between two cities on U-Haul.com. So Google Satellite View and U-Haul.com, those are your two tips for finding the perfect rental property to make you get rich slow over the next 8 to 12 years. Thanks everybody. I'm Phil Grove.